For those fellow ranchers and farmers out there, you know this all too well. Now let me show you a true game changer. This is the best latch system made here in Texas. Not affiliated in any way, shape, or form. I just really love their product. You take this little thing, pull it up, and it locks itself in with this tab here. It has a little groove down here at the bottom. Boom, locked in, that easy. I keep these on here for added security in case I have a cantankerous bull or something. We don't have any cattle right now, but this is why we got it. But getting in and out is so easy. So much easier than messing with the silly chain. And a lot of times these don't do enough holding because they're so small. This little thing is awesome. You can get them weld on. As you can see, you can get them bolt through. They have them where they're angled or they have them completely flat, so it doesn't matter what you're attaching it to. They have different methods to attach it. I'll have the link in the description if you're interested in something like this. I love them. They make my life so easy. Just a nice, lovely morning here in Texas. We're actually down in the 60s. Thank you, Abba, for the cooler weather. Thank y'all for watching, everybody. If you haven't, please subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Have a blessed day.